scary eyes. What are you there? There's the city.
Half mile in.
Say hi.
Hi.
And now he's blind. Nice to rescue one. How do you feel?
1 hour, 52 minutes. Feeling pretty good. There's our dog so far.
Eating on the go to avoid the mosquito.
Can't take a break.
Nope.
I think we're good. Yeah. A little tired, but.
Well, you know, we're just at 6,000 feet.
Tired. We're almost halfway there. That sounds awful when I say it. Yep. I think it goes up by this tree. You're going the right direction? Yeah. Point 3. So close. I'm so ready to go downhill. We're at, let's see on the watch here, 12 hours and 30 minutes right now.